Welcome to the first part of my series on the science of breathwork. I am the Breath Witch, and if you've ever practiced breathwork or even just taken a deep breath in a moment of stress, you've probably felt its calming effects. But have you ever wondered why? A lot of people think breathwork is just about relaxation, but there's so much more happening under the surface. So today we're going to be diving into a fascinating study published in the American Journal of Physiology that explains how slow breathing directly impacts the nervous system, the heart, and even your emotional well-being. This is for those who, like me, want to go deeper, who want to understand the why behind breathwork so you can fully embrace its benefits. So let's explore how something as simple as slowing down your breath can have profound effects on your body and mind. One of the key concepts in this study, this is a study of the therapeutic potential of intermittent hypoxia. And one of its key concepts is something called respiratory sinus arrhythmia, or RSA. So don't be scared by the term arrhythmia. This is actually a normal and healthy process. It refers to the way your heart rate naturally fluctuates with your breathing. So when you inhale, your heart rate slightly increases, and when you exhale, your heart rate slows down. And this rhythm is controlled by your autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for all the unconscious functions in your body like digestion, your immune response, and stress regulation. So why does this matter? Well, the researchers in this study have found that when we breathe at a slower rate, especially at around 6 breaths per minute, this natural rhythm becomes more pronounced, leading to some powerful physiological effects. Our nervous system is constantly balancing between two states. The sympathetic nervous system, also known as fight or flight, is activated when you're stressed, anxious, or in danger. When your heart rate increases, your breathing becomes shallow and your body gets ready for action. The parasympathetic nervous system, known as rest and digest, this is the calming side of your nervous system responsible for relaxation, digestion, and recovery. Now, here's the exciting part. When you slow down your breath, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system. This means your body shifts out of stress mode and into a state of calm, healing, and restoration. Your vagus nerve, which runs from your brain to your heart and organs, plays a huge role in this process. Slow breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, which in turn lowers your heart rate and blood pressure. This is why, after just a few minutes of deep, controlled breathing, you can feel a sense of relaxation washing over you. Your nervous system is literally responding to your breath. Now, what's really interesting is how slow breathing affects your heart rate variability, your HRV. So HRV refers to the variation in time between each heartbeat. A higher HRV is linked to better stress resilience, improved emotional regulation, enhanced focus, and cognitive function. And in this study, it found that breathing at about 6 breaths per minute maximizes your HRV, which means that your body becomes better at switching between states of activity and rest. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you struggle with stress and anxiety, slow breathing helps your body adapt and recover more quickly. If you want to improve mental clarity and emotional balance, breathwork can train your brain and heart to work in sync. Another key takeaway from this study is how breathing affects oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in your body. When we breathe too fast, like when we're anxious, we exhale too much CO2, and this disrupts the balance of oxygen in our blood, making us feel lightheaded, foggy, or even more anxious. So when we breathe slowly and deeply, we maintain the right balance, allowing oxygen to be efficiently delivered to our cells and brain. And this leads to better energy levels, improved concentration, and a calmer nervous system. So what does all of this mean? It means that breathwork isn't just a wellness trend. It's a scientifically proven tool for improving your nervous system, heart function, and mental clarity. Well, that's the end of part 1 of this video series. I hope you enjoyed it, but this is just the beginning. And in my next video, I'm going to explore another study, and this one is about how slow breathing affects brain function and cognitive performance. Now, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Share with someone who could benefit from breathwork. And drop a comment below. Have you ever experienced a shift in your body or mind just by changing the way you breathe? I'd love to hear about it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.